Hey there, fellow creators. Today, we're going to dive into the world of video editing using Blender, specifically its video sequence editor. We'll cover some tips, tricks, and techniques to make your editing experience smoother and more professional. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the basics. The Video Sequence Editor, or VSE for short, is a powerful tool within Blender that allows you to create professional quality videos. It's easy to use and offers a wide range of features to help you bring your vision to life. Now, let's dive into some tips and tricks to make your editing experience a breeze. 1. Understanding the timeline. The timeline is the heart of the VSE. It's where you'll be spending most of your time. Get familiar with it by understanding the different parts, such as the playhead, the timeline ruler, and the clip strips. 2. Using the viewer. The viewer is your best friend when it comes to editing. It's where you'll preview your footage and make adjustments. Familiarize yourself with the different viewer modes, such as the waveform view, which can help you with audio editing. 3. Clip strips. Clip strips are the building blocks of your video. They represent your footage and can be manipulated in various ways, such as trimming, splitting, and merging. 4. Keyframes. Keyframes are used to animate your footage. They're where you'll set the values for your clips, such as position, rotation, and scale. 5. Effects. The VSE comes with a range of effects that you can apply to your footage. From color correction to transitions, these effects can help you polish your video. 6. Rendering. When you're done editing, it's time to render your video. The VSE makes this easy with its render settings and preview options. Now, let's talk about some advanced techniques to take your editing to the next level. 1. Compositing. The VSE allows you to composite your footage with other elements, such as text or graphics. This can help you create more dynamic and engaging videos. 2. Green screen. The VSE has a green screen mode that allows you to replace your background with a different image or video. This can be a powerful tool for creating professional-looking videos. 3. Audio editing. The VSE has a range of audio editing tools, such as the waveform view, that can help you fine-tune your audio. And there you have it, folks. These are just a few tips and tricks to get you started with Blender's Video Sequence Editor. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and explore the features of the VSE. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Until next time, happy editing!